Technique from John Malarkey's tablet. Oh my god, really? Oh shoot. Okay. Hi, welcome to Fiber Love Diary. I'm Trish if we haven't met, and if we have met, welcome back. How are you? This is the channel where I document my fiber journey. So it could be spinning, weaving, scouring or washing wool fleece, or alpaca fleece for that matter, dyeing, felting, prepping, sometimes I card comb, all those things plus more. It's just a lot of shenanigans, honestly. I was just saying it the other day. Today, we are here because my Paradise Fiber packages arrived. We were kayaking this morning and it was so awesome. The weather here is beautiful. We thought we were the first people on the river. We didn't see anyone until the very end of our roughly 4-hour kayak trip. When we got home, we grabbed the mail and guess what was in it? My Paradise Fiber packages. If you've been here for a while, you know the drill, but if you are new, you might wonder why I have two. So they send me one to open on my channel to show all of you, and then I buy one and I give it away. Stay here until the end of this video. I will draw a winner for the extra package from last month. Let me grab it. It's this one, and the winner will have it mailed to them. I do mail internationally if you need me to. The way that you enter to win one of these is to make a comment on a video between this video and when the next one shows up. So that's the cutoff for when I pick a video and then pick a comment from that video for a winner. I did not see the hint this month, but somebody was talking about it and I want to say they said you're on fire or something like that. I can't remember. I need to get a scissors, of course, because I forgot my scissors this month. So I would say it has a kind of 70s style sunburst. Also, you know, the font is a little bit 70s. It's very cute, kind of a burnt orangey kind of color. So maybe it'll be John's favorite color, maybe not, I don't know. Are you ready? Let's open one. I'm super ready. Also, if you're participating in Tour de Fleece, I may open this and spin it immediately. I just finished a giant tour project, and so I'm figuring out kind of like what's my next real project gonna be. I just worked on one that I already had going today. This could be it. I don't know. I really don't know. Okay, let's open it and see what's in here. Ooh, I almost forgot. So if you love what's in here and you think you want your own, there will be a link below. It's an affiliate link. You can get your own Paradise package. You can also order spinning wheels, looms, fiber, all kinds of fun things. If you need any of that stuff, there's a link below. Let's open it. Ready? I do have my readers so I can read to you what is in here from the little papers. Okay. All right. Oh, I guess I like it. All right, we're gonna go through the cards. I always forget. I don't mean to, but I always do. So let's take what's in our bag. Also, before I start, can we just take a moment to appreciate how well this card matches the bats that are on my table already? So here is what is in our bag. It says, in your bag, undyed lotus. Is this a new? Let's see. This. Oh my gosh, this is Erie Silk. It says natural red Erie Silk, approximately 2 ounces. That's it, all right. Gorgeous. 2 ounces of silk is quite a bit. Nice. Okay. What's next? Undyed lotus top. I don't know if this is a plant fiber. I'm sure we will see it on the other sides of the card, but I will get to those next. So it feels a lot like a plant fiber, but we'll see. Like, it kind of feels like bamboo, really, but maybe not quite as, I don't know. I'm guessing this is a plant fiber, maybe from a lotus plant. So very, very pretty, super soft. It's got a nice sheen to it. So, okay, next. Glitzy merino wool in raspberry. Oh my gosh, look. Oddly enough, I have the glitzy merino with the black in the black. I use it for bats all the time. That is gorgeous. I've never seen it in person this color. It has rainbow firestar mixed into it and is just so pretty. I absolutely love the glitzy merinos too, I have to say. Okay, so what else is in here? All right, here's my bag. Oh, I love these. I have a whole bunch of these that hold little extra pieces of jewelry in my jewelry box, like things I want to make sure I keep together and separate and all that kind of thing. Also, it's supposed to protect them from tarnishing. I don't know if it works or not. Okay. Okay, there are 4 metal aglets. This is one of the aglets, both of these pieces. Here, I'll show you. Okay, so there are 4 in here, 4 sets. These are for, like, if you, the tips on a shoelace, but I will explain to you why they're in here. And then a lotus stitch marker / progress keeper. I am in love with this stitch marker. Look at it. Just look at it. I love it. Very peaceful. And a ginger fire chai stash tea. Every single time I smell them, every single time I can't smell through the paper, I don't know what to tell you. I learn slowly, I guess. I might want to open this a little. I love ginger. Oh, I can smell it. I did rip it open just a hair and I can smell it. So nice. And then 1 vinyl sticker, lotus. I cannot say it like that, but you know, lotus, like a lotus, but it's a sheep face. That's really a cute one. I keep meaning to tell you guys, I got the idea from Rhonda, because I always say I never use the stickers, but Rhonda said she put one in her clear phone case, and that's what I did. And the sticker, I didn't use it. It's just inside my clear phone case. So it's still intact because I don't use them, as you know. So this one might be a really good one to put inside the phone case. And it's kind of summery. Okay, so let's look what else is on the cards, because, well, here it just says July 2022 club newsletter, Soul Fire. All right, so there's some info on the lotus. All right, so it is from a lotus flower. It says rises above the muddy water. I literally saw some today. One is reminded of their ability to rise through adversity. The lotus plant is pure in virtue, and its intricate design and iridescent fibers embody that purity. In addition to being lightweight with a soft, silky hand, lotus fiber is breathable, wrinkle resistant, pilling resistant, durable and strong. Spinning this fiber is similar to silk or bamboo. Like I said, I thought it was felt very similar to bamboo, so that's great. It says try spinning from the fold with low tension and a high twist. Then the red Erie silk, basically it starts out a very unique and diverse type of silk. Is produced across parts of Asia and India from one of the largest species of moths in the world. Erie silk has a fuzzy texture because it has less sericin, a protein that protects the silk and helps it hold together. The silk is extremely durable, has a slight luster and beautiful natural color that shouldn't fade or transfer with normal washing and wearing. It does say the color can be, I did not know this, that's why I'm telling you. The color can be affected by extremely high temperatures and harsh soaps chemicals, so it's recommended to test the fiber first. I did not know that. Okay, and then also they gave a pattern for tablet weaving for lotus inspired shoelaces, which is kind of cool. I have seen a lot of people tablet weaving lately. I haven't tried it yet. You can do it on a rigid heddle loom. I do have a set of cards, so I could do it, but I don't know if I will or not. I cannot see myself making shoelaces with these beautiful fibers, but I guess anything's possible, right? Wow, cool. So if you're interested in weaving, a tablet weaving would be like a good beginner way to try it out. Really cool. Oh man, so okay. I don't know what I'm gonna spin next, but you know that this calls my name, of course. But honestly, maybe I should dye some of this and put it in a bat or something. I gotta think about that. If I do that, I would feel more okay about, if I spin this by itself, I'd feel more okay actually about blending the bamboo from last month. It's very hard to decide. I gotta let this simmer and sink in a little bit, but 2 ounces of Erie silk plus 2 ounces of this plus 2 ounces of this. Come on, and look at them all together. Oh my word. Oh, I love pink and gold together. I love it, love, love, love. Again, I have to show you how hilarious this is. It's nuts. Okay, so let me move these. Look at what just came in my mail. And this bat that is sitting on my table was sitting here when I started filming. That is so insane. And it has happened before. It's like they're reading my mind sometimes. Like, get out of my head, Paradise Fibers. Ugh. Thank you so much. I am very excited really to do mess with all of these. This one I have used before, and I have used this in a different color before, but never this. So I love a new opportunity to try something I've never tried before, and I kind of can't wait. I got an empty wheel too. Exciting. All right, let's go pick a winner. A lot of you have seen this a million times before. Let's see. The last one was posted on, nope, sorry, that's May 9, June 10th is when it was published. So I'm not counting membership videos because everybody can't leave comments on those. So let's see, 1, we're gonna count this because there are comments, 2, 3, 4, that's a members video, 5, and then the lives starting on the 10th, so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 videos. So we first get a random number 1 to 14 that tells us which video. Number 1, awesome. That's a good one because that'll be the one from the last Paradise box. So I just grab a link. Go to random comment picker, and now they make me do more steps, which is totally fine. Get the comments, and then do math. You have to do a math problem to prove that you're not a bot up here. Okay, get comments, and then we start. Iceberg 232323, you win. The comment is, those blues were so pretty. I've never seen bamboo fiber in person, but it looks soft. That means you're gonna get to see bamboo in person. All you have to do is send me your snail mail address in my email. It is fiberlovediary@gmail.com, but you can also find it in the description box, and I will get it out in the mail to you. So here we are. Congratulations. I will see you guys tomorrow for Tour de Fleece. It continues. The first challenge day is the 10th. So I hope you have a challenge set for yourself. If you are weaving or prepping or knitting or crocheting, please feel free to join us just to have fun and craft together during our lives. I'm live every single day of the tour except for rest days and the transport day. So I will see you guys tomorrow live, and I hope you have a great day and a great weekend. Thanks. I love you. Bye.